Welcome to the ranch. We're down here in Texas, and man, it is hot. Summertime around here is relentless. And a lot of times when I come out here to work in the sun, I have to wear multiple layers. I might have a solution for you. Stick with me as I do a product review on something that you may like if you have to work out in the weather. Here we go. Well, I decided to do the review in the barn. That way I could be in the shade and out of the sun. Down here on the ranch, a lot of times we don't always get to schedule everything that we do. When it comes to fence mending, working the cattle, some things just pop up and you have to get out there in the sun. You can't always wait until the sun is going down or early in the morning before the sun really comes out. And for that reason is why you'll find me a lot of times out in the pasture working with an additional layer of clothing to protect myself from this relentless sun down here in Texas. Now, the cowboy hat obviously offers shade on my neck and shoulders, but what about my arms? And that's the product that I want to show you today. So I'm going to go ahead and take off this long sleeve shirt because I don't like long sleeves, but it is the reason why I like this product that I'm getting ready to show you. Now, this product is called Farming Sleeves, and they are brought to you by Farmers Defense. This is a nice little package that it's sent in. It gives you some different items that you could use it on, whether you're gardening, working outside, such on and so forth. And on the back side, we see that it offers a UV protectant. It's got breathable materials and also moisture wicking. Now, this is all great, but you can read this online for yourself. I want to give you an actual product review with these sleeves. Now, there's a lot of companies that reach out to us to do customer reviews on products, and they're willing to give it to us for free. And that's great, but I always tell the people that if it's not a product that I can stand behind, I can't do the review because I'm going to be honest. So, to know that we've made it this far where I have a video review on this product will tell you that I've put this product through the ringer to see what I could get out of it so that I can tell you whether it's a good product. So this is the sleeve here itself, and you can see how dirty they are. I have put these through the test. This is a good product. The material is very interesting to begin with, but because of the material is why I think I like it more than not. If it was a cotton product, it would be a lot different. It would have the same problem that I'm having here with my shirt where it's just wet all the time. But because of this material, it dries out really fast. As a matter of fact, before I started shooting this video, I was out working and these things were soaked. I hung them up on my tractor for about 10 minutes and now they're dry. So this product sleeve is cool because you can take them with you anywhere you want. You can fold them up, roll them up, put them in a bag that you carry around. If you're a woman, you may be able to carry them in your purse. If you're a man and you have a tool bag of some sort, they're also beneficial. So you can wear this not just out on the farm, but also if you work on a roof or you're a construction worker, asphalt layer, concrete, anything like that would really be beneficial to have this. So the sleeve fits snugly. It's not too tight. It's not too tight around the bicep, which is obviously a concern if you feel like it's too tight and it's uncomfortable. The sleeves are very comfortable. One other thing about the sleeve I want to show you real quick before I move up to the top is the bottom of the sleeve. As you notice, it has a thumb hole. Some people that may have a desire to cover more of their hand while they're out working, they can do that and not have to worry about this sliding, which it has never slid for me. But it's also beneficial because it protects my watch. And as I have a smart watch now, or even one of my old diving watches that I would have, you didn't want to get dirt in it for fear that it may not work the way it should. So this is another benefit to it. Now, if you move up to the top of the sleeve, you can see here that it's got this material. It's not rubber like a rubber band. It doesn't pull your hair, but it keeps the sleeve where it belongs. I've never had to readjust the sleeve. Once it's in place, I've left it and been on my way. And I think that's pretty cool too, because you can color match these things if you really wanted to. If you're worried about color matching or anything like that. Now, understand that this was the color that Monica selected for me, but there are a lot of different colors. There are other prints that you can get. So if you're into flowers or something like that, there's a lot of selections. That's a good thing about this too. I've also noticed about this product that when it's on and you have a slight breeze, it feels like air conditioning on your arms. So like right now, the breeze is coming through the barn and it feels nice. Now, one downside is that when the breeze stops, it does feel like you're wearing a second layer, which again, we're down here in Texas, so it's not like it's expected to be air conditioned all the time, but that's the benefit to this. This also protects all of your arm from all the material, you know, whether it be dirt or if you're digging in the garden or if you're pulling weeds or anything like that. And that's the one thing I like about this material as well, is it doesn't really pull at it. It's not like a cotton product where if it gets snagged on something that it just kind of, you know, starts pulling apart. So as I said, I've put this through the ringer and I really like it. As I mentioned, that these are very easy to take with you wherever you want to go. So if you're out in the field working and then you need to go in to a restaurant or something like that and you want to take them off, they're easy to do. Just take it, fold it up. Again, you can put it in your purse. You can put them, because it's two of them. Put it in your purse, put it in your bag, put it in your back pocket, whatever you want to do. If you really wanted to, you could even probably hide it up here. Hey, look at that. Another place I just found. So there's a lot of different options with this product. I really don't have anything negative to say about this product. Overall, I'm very pleased with it. I've noticed on the website, if you go on there, that it has a 60-day guarantee or something along those lines where you're going to be satisfied with the product. So to me, it's really hard not to try it if you're willing to take it back if you didn't like it. They're relatively inexpensive to what I noticed, but this is a great option for me as I'm out in the pasture, as I'm out in the heat, as a way to protect my skin when I'm working on them. Hey, it rhymed, I like it. Overall, I give this a product 2 thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It makes my life easier. It makes working out in the field easier, less miserable having to wear 2 complete layers out in the heat. So as I said, 2 thumbs up. I have nothing really negative to say about this product. Why don't you give it a try? Check it out on the website. You can go to farmersdefense.com and see all the different products they have, because they have more than even these. So hey, who likes to protect ourselves and take care of ourselves in this hot sun so that we can live a long time and have a nice healthy life? Farmers do. Welcome to the ranch. I'm out here working these cows today. Well, mainly little babies right now. Welcome to the ranch. We're out here in the hot sun of... Overall, I'll give this product 2 thumbs up. I really can't say anything negative about the product. I got one of the cows mooing at me. I'm out here in this hot temperature.
Dad, it wasn't put on right in the camera.
What is?
The thing in the camera.
Smells basically like it did when it came out of the package. And that is due to the moisture wicking, I'm sure, and the material that they're made out of. So I would